Behind every mighty empire lurked a chaotic world of payroll and HR. Pharaoh Khufu had to settle for the pyramids we know today because the best engineers lived too far away. If only Khufu could hire and equip the talent he needed, who knows what the seventh wonder of the world would be. Whoa, that's the most beautiful pyramid I've ever seen in my life. The Aztecs were inventive engineers who created floating gardens. Meanwhile, Venetians struggled to grow food. If only they could have relocated the Aztecs to Italy, the country would be swimming in avocados. Mamma mia! Even today, companies still live in the past when it comes to payroll and HR. Christina and her team try to keep up with local changes in 30 different countries. Thankfully, they now have one partner to do it all. Deel can hire, manage, pay, and develop a global workforce, all while staying compliant. It's the only global-first people platform in history.